Hello everyone, Maxi Limit here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So as you can see here, we are going to be talking about the iOS 26 Beta 1. This has been out for about 1.5 weeks now, and I have been using it mainly on my main device since day one. This is my main device. Obviously, before I install this, I make sure that I have a good backup. So it's always important before trying any beta software to make sure to have a backup. You can do a backup through iCloud or through your computer, so it's very important. So this is the iOS 26 beta 1. I'm rocking the dark mode, and as you can see here, I don't have any issue with the my control center. I know that there have been a lot of talk on YouTube community regarding the transparency on the on this control center. As long as you are running a background which is dark, you are not going to have any. If I decided to put this in the a little bit of light mode, I can go edit, and I want to go to customize. This is actually default. This is not dark mode at all. So if I bring that up here, this is not dark mode, this is the light mode. Every icon is bright, everything is perfect. And then if we bring down the control center, as you can see here, we can very see that the transparency here is too much. I'm sure Apple will work into it in the future, but the workaround right now, if you want to try this iOS beta 1 to iOS 26 beta 1 and you are not fan of the background, don't worry. The way for you to disable that, just to go to your control to your settings. You want to go to accessibility, and then you want to go to display and text size, and you want to have here use transparency. As you can see here, when we that, obviously we can go back home, and then when we bring down now our control center, see the transparency has been removed. So if you are hesitating before installing because of the transparency of the control center, this is the work around here. Okay, I mean, it's very flat. Me personally, I prefer to have a transparency to enjoy that liquid glass, because that is the main purpose of iOS 26, the liquid glass that everybody is talking about. If you want to be rocking iOS 26 beta 1, you have to show that liquid glass. So, but again, that will be your preference. So if you prefer that, then definitely go with the transparency. But if not, you can definitely, like we did here, remove the transparency. Okay, and then as you can see here, again, it's working very smoothly. I don't have any issue. I have been using this since day one. And as for the battery life, if we go back here, we go to battery. As you can see here, I charged my battery this morning around 6:45. It's currently about 7 o'clock. I'm still at 46%. I don't have any complaint or anything else. Okay, and then that is what I wanted to show you. I know people have been talking about it, about the transparency mode, and like I told you, you can definitely go ahead and do it. So basically, you go to setting, accessibility, you want to go to display and text size, you click on that, and then you want to activate that. Now me, I like to have it under transparency, and that's why you see mine is transparent. Okay, so that is pretty much it. If you want me to do any text for you, just let me know in the comment down below. Write a comment, let me know what you think about iOS 26 beta 1. And actually, this is actually beta 1.5, because a few days after the original release, they released again a second update to solve an issue where the battery was causing problem with some iPhone 15 and 16. So that has been resolved. And if you go down to setting again, we can go to software update, and as you can see here, I'm using iOS beta, and then I have the version 23 alpha 5260 uniform. Now let's quickly talk about when we can expect the new another beta. And then if we go to the calendar, the original beta was released on the, I think it was on the 9 or the 10. Let me see, it was about the 9 or the 10. But again, with What we've learned from the past, Apple always release, if it's a brand new beta, they always do a 2-week cycle. So if it was released on the 9th or the 10th, then we will be expecting it on the 23rd or on the 24th next week. So stay tuned. When that comes out, I will definitely be giving you an update about the iOS 26 beta 2. Until then, stay safe. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video. This is Max Limit. I'll see you next time.